Alright, we're going back. After I put my kids to sleep, I can finally or freely to record anything. Okay. Kinda sleepy right now. Okay. So this time we're gonna make another custom props. Um let's see on my list what it will be. Okay. I think a trap, a swinging trap. Because I feel like, swinging trap is the best for a trap. Okay. All right. So what we're gonna do here? First, I forgot to open uh the other one. Let's say biscuit bash. This one. I forgot to open the other one. I'm sorry about it. Gonna load again. Wait for this to load because we need to import the trap that you want to use. Okay. But first, we can do is look for a device that we could use is damage gaps. Okay, so we're gonna use this because we don't have a way to damage the player. I don't want to code it much because you know it makes things complicated. So this one is a simple one. All right, wait for this guy to load up. It's discovering files, but it needs me to open it from project files, right? Like in here. So it'll open again, right? Is this the one? We can find it in our desktop. Where are you? I think this one. Okay. Oopsie. Leave assist. Okay. Um, Here, this is the trap that you wanted to use. Uh, Swinging. We make it like swinging and damage the player. Okay. But for now, you need to, let's see, browse to asset. Um, it is static mesh, right? It's not the blueprint that you want. Migrate, and everything is right there. And make sure you are in your project. It's not this one. We go to our project, which is uh, we go to Epic Games. For me, please. But for you, you find your own thing. Okay, custom props, content. Make sure you're inside in the content. Then apply to all. This the base material is already there. That's why we are trying to overwrite everything. But if you modify the parent material, don't override it, or else you're gonna go back to the default. Just wait for a little bit. Sip your coffee and relax. Right. Um, I think it's already imported. Let's see our stuff here. Maybe we can just lower down our still on Epic. Maybe lower here. We don't need like really realistic one. Just to save our memory usage. Um, I think it's already here. For no, 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 custom props, virtual props, cancel that. No, I believe it is a mesh, which is this one, right? Mesh. Okay, so click the mesh. You go right here. Um, here, creative volume frame. Um, what you could do is to add another one. Probably. Um, give me a moment. I think we can add a mesh. This is edit only mesh, right? Or maybe you can change this one. What is this mesh anyway? No, visible. What you could do is add static mesh. Static, right? The one that I'm selected there, it will appear here. You can use that as well. Okay. Then probably, or maybe this one. Yeah, it has a static mesh component already. You can just delete this one. Don't need to add because it has. I didn't saw that because it was like um scroll down here. Okay. Here you can just use this one and it will make give it like this. But when we go on like this, um we need to move that this one, the edges. Okay. Let's see how can we do that. I believe that's the looking for the this box, elimination box. Where can we adjust the box itself? Okay. I think it's not there. This is all the other components. I think you can modify them. Zone visible during the game. Yeah, here. Just put it up like this so you can see it. It's damage volume and sense. I'm sorry about that. Okay. What we're gonna do is, of course, you don't want to see the volume because it will vary unless you wanted to. Affects player guards, maybe no, not guards, people or creatures. You don't want them to die, right? So change them to box or cylinder, maybe if your thing is cylinder. I think this one external volume if you're using capsule, but I think it requires a simple shapes, not like really complex, right? But you could try. You could try. Mm, what we're gonna do here is change this one. Maybe the location. Let's try the location. But if I do this, oh yeah. So what we're gonna do is no, it's the same thing because it's a parent one. Let's try this trigger parent. We can screw it on. No, this one. No, as well. No, this one. Where is it? Oh, I managed to move this before. What is this too? Is this the box thing? No. Wait, check how I did it. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Maybe we make it small first before let's try point 3. like the depth to like this. The height should be, let's try 0.3. Let's make it square. Okay. Of course, when you hit this one, you die. It's up to you. You want just damage and stuff. Maybe disable effect. This needs to be visible. I mean invisible. Okay. What can we do here? Yes. Hmm. Maybe we need to put it one by one. Well, I don't know, to be honest. Let's see. How can we do this? Maybe I'll put down one, which is bigger frame. Do we need that? Hmm. Put it down. Maybe negative 500. Then copy paste this to other ones, which is one as a parent, this one is this, and this one is this. See if that's fit for our. Oh no, we need more, which is maybe negative 512. 512 is perfect. The creative one, this is just maybe half of this. 255. No, 500. 355. Negative. Ah, just put it in the middle, like, negative 435. I don't want, floats. 512, 512, making sure it's the same. Take it to the area. Okay, right. So that will be it. You made it, but not so fast. So what we just did is we created, we can make it smaller. Where's the damage? Um, point 0.08, something like that. Right? What we did is modify the zone damage volume with static mesh, like the normal ones. So when this one hit the players, either you set it to elimination, which is dead, and damage, which is damage the player with your specific, I mean, set value for that. Okay. I think the effects, I don't know, like maybe like burning effects, I think. You could try. Alright. And then right now we're gonna verse explorer. Maybe create a new verse in this content. Create new verse file like that, and then prop underscore swinger, right? Prop swinger. Create empty, then just create like that, and it will show up here. Okay, so let's start coding. What we're gonna do, declare some variables again. What is it close? Oh, I didn't close something. So some of my thing was closed. Didn't close anything. Okay, so going back, we declare something here. Uh, what we declare it's a readable. Enter prop to maybe props because we're gonna use array for this. Prop string. Okay, then array damage volume is the type of the device is damage volume. Device equals to array. Okay, and then we wanted to have it like a trigger so we can have a control if we wanted to um turn it off and turn it on. Trigger button on, same as before. You what might be last video. Device equals to trigger device. And just copy paste this or off. Hit enter so it will cleaner looks cleaner. Okay, so prop to swing, we have some error here because I think we forgot damage volume just a typo. What is this? What a lucky day! Someone your maintenance? Oh man. I wish when we finish it's not maintenance anymore. Or else I need to pause the video and wait for it. Maybe I make another one for and then modify this later on. Anyway, going back, um, we can put some variables here as well, like interval, delay in seconds. So how many seconds it will delay before it swings back. Interval, the rotation degree that we want rotation degree. Plus 45 degree. So it's like swinging and 45 degree and swing back. Interval, another one. Beta, no. Rotation. How long it will animate. Then what we're gonna do here is play current. Yeah, I need this because I encounter a problem that um, when you are on 45 degrees, so we need to get the current, or else it will continue. It will set the rotation degree as its at its degree, and then it won't come back. It's just continue doing it. It's considering the 40 degree as its zero, and then swing it back, and then when it's swinging back again, it will consider the last one as zero, and then I hope you know what I mean. That's why we need to catch what's the current angle when it's rotated. Okay, while rotating forward, I hope that uh, this, but let's see. Let's check later on. Current rotation will equals to zero zero. Or degree. I don't know if I'm using a will be it will be useful later on because anyway I'll stop from there. Maybe class two start soon. Because I don't know if I used everything here. Because I did a lot of you know prototyping and stuff. Just typing and I forgot sometimes I forgot um but I don't need this kind of variables, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is subscribing the button, trigger button on the trigger event that subscribe, so the subscribe, 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 then hit the on trigger event. Gonna make that later on, but for now, we need to write the off button off that triggers event that subscribe on off trigger. Okay, then I'm gonna write the first function here. And you can always read the documentation if you want to know something. Set stop swing. Um, stop swing. You can make it a lobby voice. Okay. Stop swing. We're not gonna set it. Stop swing equals true because it's swing. It could be current rotation plus rotation degree. You said rotation degree? The rotation degrees is 45. Then set root degree degree equal to current rotation times 2. You know why? Just because. Wait, let me check why I'm having some issues right here. Because the indentation is so far. Okay. So this one, which means is we are times 2 from there. Because if you, I hope I have my, wait, what's this red thing there? My OBS. Um, wait, let me check. I have some drawing stuff here. I can draw it for you. Let me do it. For a second. The softwares. No, servers. Softwares. G. Anyway, this is open source. You can use this. Okay, so let's say a circle. This one, right? So right now on R0, this is 90. This is our 0. Okay. So first, this is 45. Then 45. Right? Negative. Okay. So when it's rotated here, going up here, um, we are times 2 loop degree, right? So it can back 1 and then 2 times 2. So our loop degree, I think I have it like, wait, why am times 2? So um, current rotation is rotation degree, which is 45 times 2. So if you 45 times 2, I wonder why it's 90, right? Because times 2. So that's our loop degree times 2. And maybe we negate this later on. That's why I'm multiplying to times 2, right? So 90 and then 45 times 2, right? So it should be 90 degree, right? But then when we rotate the thing, the trap, this one will be set as its zero. Got it? So that will be its zero. And then um, when you times 2 and then negate it, which is 90, so 1 and 2, right? And this will be its 90 negative. Okay? That's why. That's why I'm making it. And then maybe when we trigger it again, times 2, and then it will just like, and then the 0, and then it will be the 90, which is plus, and then it will make it 90 degree, right? So that's the logic behind it. I hope you understand. But I know that you guys are, mathematicians. You can you can have a solution, a better solution than this. Okay, I'm just showing you that my preferred solution of triggered event. Okay, agent, agent. All right. Then we are setting stop swing equals false. Then right now for prop instance prop swing. I think I forgot the other one to set prop. Instance the disabled. Yeah. Why I don't have disabled in this thing? Because I haven't enabled it probably. Let's see why I don't have disabled. Maybe I'm able this prop instance dot disabled. Uh, Probably I haven't spawned for prop instance prop swing. Well, prop to swing autocomplete sucks. Spawn then swing. This is the function prop prop instance. Okay, spawn spawn. Okay, swing prop is being make it swing prop prop for you for device suspend. This is running. It's animating. You need this. Okay, then root. Then if stop swing equals to true, false maybe. Wait, okay, and we write it down later. I wonder why I don't have this. Maybe I forgot. Prop instance. Why? Oh no no. That's what. This one. And why am I disabled? No unknown member? What? So they changed it now? No, disable on. I'm sorry. Alright, so we're disabling it so it won't do anything because it's disabled. You can hide it if you want to if they are disabled. So um, like this. Prop that's that high. You can do this as well. But don't forget to show it when it's on. But you are showing it right here. Um, no, one. Can't because it's done. You can just disable it. Alright. And what else? If rotating forward equals to true. Okay. We can just copy paste because I'm lazy. It does the same thing as this one. Okay. You can just move it to a new window. No. Oh no. I close it. New split to the right. Okay. And then make it bigger. Control plus. You're older like me. Okay. So if rotate now, close this one. You need this one like right here. But go back right here. Okay. Props to rotate. We don't have it. We need to change it to prop. Okay. And rotating, rotate, rotate. Forward. Why are you wrong? Rotation forward. What? Rotate, rotating forward. Okay. Go new rotation degree. I'll say on this so you can see it wrapping. I'll say if rotating forward, you're gonna set the new rotation. I tried this a different one, a different thing um to rotate. Rotation, yeah, rotation one. Rotation. Is it correct? Apply local rotation. Okay, and then you're gonna do is current rotation like this. But prop rotation is not prop rotation, new rotation. Prop rotation that apply local rotation. Did you forget the yeah, we need to um use this as well. The library. So copy paste that one. And the error should be gone. And then um prop that move tool, okay, prop location, new rotation, then and rotation. Alright? And then set rotating forward, rotating forward 2 points. Set current rotation to false. No, I'm kidding. You need one space equals to 2 degree times -1 to negate it, right? Not like that. Negative. Okay. If you see the illustration earlier, delay in seconds. So we're using a delay here, so it will stop like when it's rotated, stop for maybe an end time like 2 seconds or 1 second, and then it will swing back. Then swinging back, you can just copy paste all of this right here. This is some lazy current rotation, just checking. Prop location, new rotation, rotation forward will be true because the next loop will be true. Should be true. Then times +1. Okay, then it will loop forever and ever. Forever and ever. I'm just kidding. Okay, I hope that we can run this because, um, well, that's my solution. Okay, so its rotation is like that. We use everything anyway. Oh yeah, so that's it. You can go back now. What is this? Still down, my guy. Okay, let's just build it. Build code. We need to go away from this because this is the other one. Then go to your project and prop swinger. Just go here and then go to Fortnite trigger. Then it will show you not that one devices and then trigger. Then copy paste it like alt click with what is this, orbit or gizmo. Okay, because we need to pick anyway this is array so we can just copy paste them now if you want more traps. Okay, then we have three, right? Then pick this one, pick this guy, pick this guy. Okay, then pick your trigger enable, pick your disable. Okay, so everything is on default. Want to if you're fast, if you want faster, you can do that as well. I think I do remember that I made like for settings for each one, like depends on them, but it's better you can do array as well and match the array if you want to, something like that. You know how to make the array right now or how to use it. You can set a speed on each of one. I wish we can use a map, a map. I think I made a map like for class. You're gonna create a class. Oh, it's a good job. Okay. I think I made a class. I think I made it successful. Let me see if I see it. Yeah, maybe next video or next time. I'm gonna show you how to make a class so um you can define like let's say for this trap you can set its rotation speed, right? So this one is faster than this one, and this one is slower than this one, something like that, right? All right, so let's build it first. We haven't built it. Let's see if we have some errors here. No error, but the problem is no session. Oh, that's so sad. But I can assure you that this will happen. It's just Fortnite is Fortnite being Fortnite. Epic. Or maybe it's my Epic game was closed because they're doing something. Sadly, we can play them because Fortnite is being maintenance probably. When it's running, they're all running. Maybe we'll try to reopen them. I don't need you for now. Get out my way. Ooh, that's bad word. Okay. Yeah. Opening Fortnite. Why Fortnite being Fortnite? Fortnite. Oops. Fortnite. Fortnite. Only have three Fortnites here. Only have two, but maybe this one. Let's see. While waiting for that, play your favorite idol game. Hmm, no. Oh no. A new editor for Fortnite version is available. Oh, we need to update the. Wait, I closed everything from my end. Let's try. Why? Wrong timing. Wrong timing. Maybe been updated now. Mm, good. Still no. Okay. Funny. Close everything. So what are we gonna do now? Updating. Press reporter. Why not press reporter? Okay. Why is still running? Let's close this one. Fortnite. Said, what is this? Why I have this one? Oopsie. Real editor? Did I open one? I haven't opened anything. Oh, maybe that's why you get stuck there. Why my thing still running? Queued updating. Okay. So maybe I'll pause the video from here so you don't wait for 6 gig to be downloaded. Alright? And my Unreal Engine Fortnite will be updating soon. Right. See you wait for me. Well, so sadly, after updating the editor and the what do you call this? The Fortnite is just offline. We can't play. We can't play anymore. I mean, we can try, but I can really assure you that it will work. Okay. Um, Maybe I will make another video just to show you that it's working. But for now, I'm gonna stop recording for UEFN because they are sucks. I mean, yeah, they are offline. So maybe next time. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.